Indulge in the ultimate dessert experience with this decadent chocolate pudding cake. At its heart lies a rich, fudgy layer of chocolate pudding perfectly cradled beneath a delightfully moist chocolate cake. Start with flour and sugar and cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt, and give that a good mix. Combine milk with melted butter and vanilla. Give that a good mix, and then combine the two. Prepare a 9-inch square baking pan with some baking spray and add your batter. Spread the batter out into an even layer. Combine granulated sugar with brown sugar and cocoa powder. Mix that together well, breaking up any clumps. Sprinkle that evenly over top of the cake batter. And then spread that around so it's a nice even layer. Carefully drizzle hot water over the top of the batter. I know this sounds weird, but trust the process. Do not mix it in. You might be tempted to do that. And then bake the cake in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Let it cool for 10 minutes. Scoop it and serve it with vanilla ice cream and enjoy. You can get this full printable recipe on bakedbyinintrovert.com.